this is Sonia from My Happy Space, just popping on to show you what's the next step in our memory verse starter kit. So hopefully by now you've made your little box. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a link in my profile, or I'll link it down here below for the YouTube video, that you can pick up my starter kit. You can make yourself a memory verse box. I explain exactly the method about that. I've got a January bundle. And this is the verses we're going to memorize this month. If you don't want to pick up the bundle, this one is free of charge. This is not. But if you don't want to pick up the bundle, I will put it on social media every week, and then you can follow along. So basically what you need to do is cut this out. So I recommend them cut them all out. As you can see, they are marked week 1 to 4 because there's 4 verses in January. And then put verse 1 behind daily, because this is going to be the verse where I'm practicing daily. And the rest of the verses, just hide it here behind for safekeeping. So for the next week, we are going to memorize this verse, which is Psalm 31, verse 14 to 15. A beautiful verse, good for the year. So what you're going to do now is to get ready for tomorrow. You can take the starter kit, and if you want to combine it with my ephemera printables for January, you can do that. And I've just decorated the front cover, and I've just put the 4 verses in front there, which I thought it would be good to remember what verses we are studying each month. What you're going to do is you're going to write it down there, practice it. If you're a visual learner, obviously use highlighters. If you're a kinesthetic learner, do accents. Writing down obviously is something like that, but I'll recommend you anyway to write it down. And yeah, so just practice it. And this is what you're going to do for the next few days. And yeah, but in the middle of the week, we will pick up again. And then we will look into this worksheet, which is part of the January bundle. And we're going to zone into the verse, dig a little deeper. So we're going to memorize, meditate. And at the end of the week, we are going to make something pretty with these ephemera or whatever you have in your stash. So yeah, I hope to see you by Wednesday.